Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Roseanna. So in today's video, girl, I am sharing with you my July favorites. I can't believe August is already here. So that is what we're going to be doing today. But before we get into that video, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. You could ring the bell. It would give you notifications of when I post. So yep, like, make comments, tell your friends, subscribe, help a newbie out. I would so appreciate your support. And thank you so much for helping me grow this channel. And now without further ado, let's get started. Okie dokies. Listen, I think I have all of my favorites, well, most of them on my face as we speak. I did do some beef footage. I will put it up here as we go along. So yeah, let's just get right into it. Piecemealing. I'm all over the place. Let's start off with this little lover right over here. So this is the L'Oreal Tinted Balm infused with hyaluronic acid. I did do a video on this product a couple of weeks ago. I'm not sure which video is going up when. I'll leave it in the cards right over here if you want to take a look at it. I loved it. It's so beautiful. It was a little tacky. I was like, I don't know like how. Actually, I did a wear test on it and I was like, and it was beautiful. It was beautiful the whole time. I just really wasn't sure if it would like settle down. I did put powder on it. Absolutely not going to work if you have oily skin. So that was my initial first impression wear test. But then like a couple of days later, I wore it again. And in the video, I did one side with the cutie patootie little puffer here, this little thingamajiggy here. And then on the other side, I think I used a sponge, of course, with the little puff in here. It gave you more coverage. But then when I wore it again, I just used like my BK Beauty brush. It was beautiful. And it, you know, I set it just like I normally would with the Huda, which, you know, I've been loving still. But it was beautiful. It, like, I have it on like right now. It looks and it feels fantastic. I think because it's going to vary with temperature, that's for sure. It wasn't as hot out. It wasn't like as humid out. It was beautiful. So I do live in New Jersey. Listen, girl, it's like winter in the morning. It's, you know, dead of summer in the afternoon. And then by nighttime, we're having a monsoon. I don't know. But anyway, it is such a beautiful product. It is what I have on. It's beautiful. Love this product. By the way, other products that I have on my face, you know, girl, I will leave everything listed below. I was doing a video a couple of weeks ago and I grabbed this little lover right over here. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Beautiful Skin Sun Kiss Glow Bronzer. I have this in medium. Well, let me rephrase that. I am wearing this in medium. It's so delicious. You're never gonna run out of this. It's so beautiful. What I did was I was doing the video and I grabbed the, that's beautiful. That's the medium. And I grabbed the fair, which is very, you know what? Let me get it for you so I can show you. It's very contour-ish. Okay, so this is fair one. And I also had that. I remember when they first came out, let me just show it to you. You could not get your hands on the one because it's very, well, I'll show it to you. You could see the difference. I mean, look how cool. I don't want to say ashy, but this is typical right over here for like a contour shade and this for a bronzer. Anyway, so I grabbed this to use in a video and I said, my gosh, I haven't grabbed these in such a long time. I had forgotten how good they are. So girl, I've been grabbing this. You're never gonna run out. But this one that I have on today is the medium. It is so beautiful, so creamy, so delicious. I will tell you, I like to use, if I don't use like the butt of a dampened sponge with my cream products, I love to use the BK Beauty. Is it the 106 that I love? But I use the same brush for my bronzer, for my foundation and my blush. I just think that's a great brush. You know what? I'll just throw it in there too. That is one of my favorite brushes that I've used over and over again. Let me grab it. Yes, my tried and true. Here it is, Dirty Filthy. I have a few of them. I love this brush. I know people love, what is it? The 101 with the slanted one. That's also for foundation, but this one, and I also think she created a baby one that's slanted, but this one is, I love this one, the 106. And I think she also created a smaller version of this, but this I absolutely love. We're going to put it in the favorites. Love. Well, you know how I feel about Natasha Denona. You know that. She came out with these delicious brighteners. This is the Natasha Denona High Glam Brightener. I have mine in B1. That's all I have on. I have this on, and then I set it with the Huda Beauty Cherry Blossom. Look how pretty. I absolutely love this. Girl, I'm 58. I cannot pile on product after product after product under my eyes. Absolutely not. No stinking way. I can't put a brightener and then I'm going to put a concealer and then I'm going to put a setting. I said, let me just try it. Let me just try just to use the brightener, which I absolutely love. Come on. There you go. Which I absolutely love. And that's all I have on. It looks so, so nice. Love, love, love. And I remember back in the day, girl, I would always get like fair, like concealer. Girl, where are you going? I mean, I love that brightening look. I slept for 12 hours. I look fabulous. I'm refreshed. But you know, as we get older, like you really, really should not, and I hate to use the word should, you shouldn't do this. You shouldn't, girl, do whatever the hell you want. Do whatever you want. I'm just saying for me, the older I got, the more like you would see stuff that I want to conceal if the concealer is too light. But this formula for the brightening concealers, there we go. But this formula for the brightening concealer is so, look at that, it's so beautiful. Love, 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 love this product. I have been loving it and enjoying it so, so much. You know what, same thing with this. This is the Dior Forever Glow Luminizer. And this is in 02 Gold Halo. I don't know what it is about this particular doggone highlighter. I have 5,000 of them in the back there. But something about this Dior highlighter, it's so, it doesn't look like it's like it doesn't look like it's just laying on your skin. Like I hate to, oh, it's glow. I'm glowing from within, but it's the doggone truth. That's exactly what it looks like. Look at that, how pretty that is. It doesn't look like it's sitting on your skin. It doesn't emphasize any texture. Look at that. Look how pretty that is. It's just a beautiful, beautiful product. I absolutely love it. And by the way, P.S. semicolon, I'm on a low buy, and I have been on a low buy, but I try so stinking hard. I am gonna really, really try this year at the end of the year. We're already in August. I'm going to continue to try to do videos with products that I already have so much. Leave me some comments below. What do you guys want to see? I have so much stuff that I'm really going to try, and I'm really, really working hard at just using what I have, showcasing what I have, and just sharing with you like tips, tricks, products that, girl, we don't have to keep on buying. I know I say that, but I don't understand why I don't heed my own advice. I know I say that, girl. Listen to yourself. But leave me some comments below. Are there any ideas that you want me to showcase with stuff I already have? Leave me some comments below. Speaking of, I already have so much stuff. I got this deliciousness, and I did speak about this in other videos. This is the new I think it's new. It's new to me anyway. The Lancome Lashy Doll Curl Goddess Mascara. Again, I have said a billion times, you do not need high-end mascara. In my opinion, high-end mascara, I think drugstore is fantastic, fantastic. I got this, you know, like I said, as a sample. It is so good. It's so freaking good. Like, I have so many mascaras, and you know what? Again, I hate to go, I have so much. I'm sure it's probably expired, but I haven't even opened up the packages yet. This particular mascara, and I am sure I have other drugstore mascaras that do the same, but this gives me so much length. It gives me so much volume. I think it's the volume. Like, I guess the mascaras that I have been grabbing lately, they're just giving me length, but not a lot of volume. But this, as soon as I tried it on the first time, I'm like, holy shish kabibble. My eyelashes are so freaking full. They're so full. I mean, they're long already to begin with, but these are so full. And it's this mascara, doggone it. But I have been really enjoying it. But you could see it's little. I'm not going to buy it. I'm just telling you right now, I'm not going to buy the full size. I just want you to know I'm in love with it. That's it. That's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying. This little lover I picked up recently. I did a video on bold blushes, and I happened to grab the combo. It was the Patrick Ta, the strawberry shortcake. It was the lip balm and the blush. She left me on red, but they have cute little strawberries and etched in the component. It's so pretty. This is freaking good. Now listen, again, I'm gonna go like this all the time. You see all the way up there? That's all lip products, all of it, lip products. That drawer over there, lip products. In that drawer, I have it all broken down into lip glosses, lipsticks, drugstore lipsticks, drugstore lip glosses, and like high-end lipstick. It's just so, you don't need it. But this is really good. I do have it on my lips today with the makeup by Mario Smoky Pink. It is so good. This is his Major Moisture Soothing Lip Balm, and it's got peptides in it and some kind of bakuchiol, whatever. But first of all, it smells so good. It smells like a sour candy. I love sour candy, but look how, I just want to share with you. It is very thick. If you don't like thick lip products, you're not going to like it. You think I'm going to waste that? Absolutely not. But look how beautiful. I want to go like this. I want to go like this. It is so beautiful, Haley. I am not going to waste it. It is in a thicker, it is very balmy. It feels like it's nourishing. Does it do this? Probably. I don't care. I don't care. It feels so, so good on the lip smackins. So I have been enjoying that so, so much. And then the last two products, girl, is skincare, body care. I did a short on the Revive Beauty. This is the Revive Beauty Signature Skin Dream Barrier Cream. It is very, very good. My only asterisk, if you will, is I think it's a little bit too thick for me for the daytime. Although she does say that she preps with it and it looks beautiful under makeup. Even though it says that you could use it morning before makeup and at night after cleansing. I just feel like when I use it at nighttime, I think I'm wasting it. It is a beautiful product. It leaves your skin so plump and supple. Just for me personally, like now that it's so friggin' hot out, I'm not complaining. I am not complaining. It's a little too thick for my liking right now, but I can guarantee you, girl, in the fall, in the winter, in the spring, this will feel delicious in the daytime. But I am using it. I'm using it. But yet, girl, you complain-ish, but you use it every day. You use it every day. And then last but not least, I have been loving this. Now, let me just tell you something about Josie Maran. She was my ride or die on QVC, like, I don't know, 10, 15, 20 years ago. I don't even remember. It's got to be at least 10. I'm sure it's 15 too, but... And of course, now she's very, very popular outside of QVC. Had them all. I had them all. The body butters, the oils, the argan oil, the hair thing, everything. And then I just kind of like stopped using it. I don't know why, but I just happened to grab like the regular jar. I think I wanted to say maybe it was in the Sephora sale. I can't remember. And then I said, you know what? Let me just grab like the refill. I just refilled my glass jar. This is, first of all, what a great concept. And by the way, I filled it up and I have like this much. I still have this much left. Hello, girl. She's beautiful. I still have like this much. So I could fill up my jar twice. No doubt about it. I can fill it up twice. This one I got in golden hour. Love it. I've always loved the body butter. I always loved it. I'm so glad that she extended and got out of QVC and now she's been in Sephora. But I'm just saying, I'm just thinking back such a long time ago. She was just on QVC and people are like, well, who is that? Who is? And she was always so like earthy and organic. It was like she would promote all her beautiful product and she looked like this like sun goddess from like, you know, living in Costa Rica, like in the jungle, like just from the earth, you know what I mean? That's how she always reminded me of. But anyway, I have been absolutely loving it. I think I also got like maybe a little sample of tangerine, which I want to try because, you know, I'm very particular when it comes to scents, girl, and I don't put that on my face. But I do have a sample of one of these body butter oils for the face, which is actually right over here. I'm just not sure. There we go. See, it says face butter. I'm not sure if I want to put oil on my face. Leave me some comments below. Have you guys used the Josie Maran whipped argan oil on your face? I'm curious to see what the difference of the face oil is, as opposed to the body I'll have to look into it, but leave me some comments below if you ever tried that. And I think that is it. I just want to do an honorable mention. I just want to do an honorable mention of this little combo from Fenty Beauty. I posted a video on this, or a short, at maybe in the beginning of the month. This is her new combo that I think she introduced it on TikTok first. This is the Gloss Bomb Sticks in Birthday Suit, and then the traced out lip liner in Peanut Butter. It is so damn good. I didn't put it on today because I really wanted to showcase the Patrick Ta that I have been loving. It's just a good, nurturing lip product, but this is so beautiful. So this is Peanut Butter. It is so beautiful. But girl, this lip smacking, this gives you like that old school concealer lip deliciousness. Look at that. It's so good. Honorable mention because I'm still loving you. You are still the one. You're still the one. Anyway, guys, so that is it. These are my July favorites. I can't believe it's already August. Like, I feel like the whole summer just flew by. If you guys don't know, actually, I don't think you guys know because I haven't posted that video yet, but I have been on a family leave. My husband had back surgery back in January that I had to go on a family leave. And then unfortunately, he had to go again. And now he had a fusion back in the middle of July. So I have been home now for like 3 weeks now. So I really haven't been using that much makeup. So really, I've been stuck home for like the month of July, half of August. So, I mean, not that I'm saying anything. I mean, I have to take care of him, poor bastard. But anyway, so the summer's been a little this summer, but I still can't believe it's almost over. I can't believe we're already in August. But anyway, guys, this is it. This is my video. Thank you so much for sharing your time with me. And as always, you guys be good to each other, love each other, and have a great day. Bye.